But I literally just spat exactly like it does.
It is Halloween special.
Hello, Weenie. How are you going?
If you want to see how we got this amazing Halloween makeup, go and check it out on our YouTube video. I don't know what it's going to be titled yet, but it's basically us trying to copy the James Charles and Avani clown makeup thing.
Collaboration.
Yeah.
I think we look pretty similar.
No, I would
actually
say that. I was gonna say, like, if you did just want to like skip this look and go straight to them, like, completely understand.
Yeah. But if you want a more like rustic kind of vibe,
more achievable, then
just take a look.
This is it.
Hey?
Enjoy. Now you get to look at this for the next 10 minutes.
I think it looks beautiful.
Halloween. Are we
It's
scary?
like abstract, deconstructed clown.
Happy Halloween. Let us get into the recipe.
Let's do it.
We've got a bit of a Halloween special for you today. We did a bit of searching because we were kind of keen. We were like, Halloween, let's do it. Like, let's make, I don't know, a scary
something really
cocktail.
fun, like Halloween-y.
And we came across this recipe. The actual recipe is called the Purple People Eater, I think.
Yes.
We changed it up a bit just in like our presentation. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
We can link the recipe if you like, but otherwise this is sort of how we're gonna make it. This is for a bulk fucking serve. So if you want to take this recipe like to your Halloween party that you're having this year, like obviously COVID safe.
COVID safe. COVID-19, etc., etc.
Yeah, this will be great for Halloween party. It'll surprise your friends. It looks purple, so
and we haven't tasted it, but we feel like it's gonna taste good.
Yeah, I have a feeling about
like judging by the ingredients included, we have a good feeling about it.
So you need vodka. Now we have done something a bit special this week. We made an online purchase with Nui Distillery is what it's called. You can Google it, and they do what they call an aurora vodka. So it's kind of like, we're not really sure what it has in it. Maybe like edible glitter or something like that. But it actually like shimmers. You can see it in the light. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. But yeah, it shimmers.
It's super pretty, and we're like,
beautiful.
that's kind of like witchcrafty, like Halloween-y.
Yeah, and it's purple.
Sparkly vibes.
So
let's get that.
It'll make the whole drink a little bit more purple as well. So I'm very excited for that. So you will need vodka, and then you need blue curacao.
Yes, blue curacao.
Sweet and sour mixer.
Yes.
Cranberry juice.
Oh, not that. Where is the cranberry?
Cranberry juice is over here. She's not that special.
Over
She's off camera.
Oh, baby.
Grenadine, preferably in date.
Yes.
We were going to try an out of date one.
Yeah, but I just didn't want to risk it. I did Google it, and I was like, what, like, can I use out of date grenadine? And everyone was like, and mine was expired in 2018, I believe, in the pantry and already opened. So I was like, well, that's a bit risky.
Yeah.
So here we are.
With our beautiful fresh grenadine.
Uncracked grenadine.
And then we've got something a bit different. So you can obviously put this in whatever glass you want. We've actually decided to go with a clear skeleton glass and a purple paper straw.
What does that mean?
Spooky. At least, you know, you guys are able to see live on the video when shit started to get a bit freaky.
Yeah.
Our lights went out. Ooh, scary.
Scary.
Okay, we're going to do something a bit special. We've got some grape flavoured purple pop rocks or popping candy. So we're actually going to rim the little skeleton glasses with that as well.
The little rim that they've got.
Yeah, it's a little one. You know, it's fun.
A rim
Ooh. If you want to do a bulk serve, the measuring cups you'll need as well is 1 cup, 1/4 of a cup, and 3/4 of a cup. So obviously we're going to go through the recipe with you. The other thing we do have on camera as well is it's just this interesting rum. It's called a hemp rum, and it's Dead Man's Fingers, and it's purple and it's a bit spooky. So we thought we'd have it in the shot. So if you're interested in rum and marijuana, by all means. I don't think it's got any actual CBD. Is that what it's called?
I have no idea.
Okay, let us get this recipe on the road. Alright, we're going to start with 1¼ cup of vodka. So you will need a shaker cup.
Yeah, I'll
But just separate it into doing 1/4 cup at a time.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. So we'll go through the recipe for you. We're going to be using the cocktail shaker cup 3 times. So you want the cocktail shaker and you want some ice as well. So let us start with, in the cocktail shaker cup, what's 1¼ divided by 3? About 1/2 cup.
So we're going in with 1/2 cup, pouring it in.
It's pretty.
Ooh, shimmery tints. Boom.
Woo!
Bitch. 1/2 cup of vodka.
And then we need 1/4 cup of blue curacao.
Curacao, bitch. Ooh, yeah, boy. 1/4 cup, if you didn't know.
Ooh, all these different colors. So exciting.
They're really coming together.
Excellent.
There's that for you.
Next
up.
1/4 cup of sweet and sour mix. So you can usually buy that, in the mixer section of your liquor stores?
Same place you can get the blue curacao and grenadine. They have a little cocktail mixer section where they sell all their little knickknacks. Hey, this is the fact that I have to be on. Alrighty.
1/4 cup of sweet and sour mix.
Oh,
really?
No.
I like that smell.
Oh.
Smells like a sour lolly.
It's like fucking a fart.
So there's a little muff.
Alright, in she goes.
Woo!
Sweet
Next.
and sour done. The first third.
First, yeah, okay.
Alrighty.
Next, 1/4 cup of grenadine.
Eating hair. Probably Olivia's, let's be honest with each other here. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Whoa. That. They call me icy, wifey. Haters gonna fight me. Okay, cool.
And
So
then,
what's that?
yeah, and then last to top it off, we just need 1/4 cup of cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice.
So that would be 1 serve, but it is a lot.
But you can do it too. And then we go in, 1/4 cube. Fuck. Oh! Almost spelled that cheeky devil.
In she goes. Excellente.
Excellent.
Now we just need some ice. Ignore the McDonald's.
I really should put the ice in first, but.
Yeah.
Like,
Looks kind of weird on camera. It's pretty. The blue curacao, that's definitely what triggers me.
for sure.
And then you shake it all together.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Woo! And
Okay.
she fucking goes.
And then you just drain her in there.
And we're putting it in a purple honestly, it's going in a purple.
Looks kind of scary.
A purple Halloween bowl that we bought from the dollar store. We just thought it's like kind of punchy vibes.
Ooh, so that scent is really throwing me off.
So I'm gonna finish that now. So basically, from here, what we do is you just do that another 2 times.
Yes, which we will proceed to do.
We will speed through. That's fairly easy. Ooh!
Cool.
So
Alrighty.
good. Okay, look.
That seems to be the
Let's
method
try
of
it.
choice.
Ooh. I want you to do it for me.
Okay. Right. We're actually meant to do this. Was like technically the first step, but we were just so excited to make the cocktail that we just kind of skipped this step. Alrighty. So you just gotta rim the glass with some simple syrup just to get them to stick. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of sprinkle them over. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, is that good? Cheers.
Yours looks better than mine.
Doesn't really work though. Alrighty, we're gonna try and
Use shot glasses to put it into your skull.
stick that one. Dunk it in there. Not us in Potion's class. Wait, she's singing like the Titanic. I like the Atlantic.
I just love that, like,
she's going
I
down.
feel like our brain is just like, no matter what, it's just dysfunctional. First, taste test. We've got them in our little skulls.
These are what they look like.
Looks like we're drinking some sort of blood.
Yeah.
Scary. Wow. That is definitely interesting.
Kind of nice. Kind of gross though.
Because there's a lot of flavors, I think.
It's a little bit overwhelming
Yeah.
for the senses, but like not like terrible per se. What would you rate this?
A
I'm gonna
7?
say like, I'm gonna say 5. It's
That
like
taste
when
I
I
got
tasted
then.
it first, I'm like, oh, it's really sweet and like kind of lolly. But then like when I keep tasting it, I'm like,
I can't imagine drinking all of this, but I guess we're gonna have to find a way.
yeah, for sure.
I forgot to say, our shot glasses are little like Halloween ones with like fake blood.
And little maggots in them. In conclusion,
Look, I still think this is a perfect sort of punchy, you know, in a bowl type of alcohol mix you would drink at a party, because then you're like not really in it for the flavor. You're like, yeah, let's just get as much alcohol as possible.
yeah.
And this obviously has the blue curacao and a lot of vodka. I don't know, I just don't think I could sit down and relax and enjoy this. Like, I think it would be an effort for me. But
It's an effort for me right now.
it's really cool and fun, like in its little, you know, skeleton head moment.
It's super cute. We are suspecting that maybe it's the blue curacao that we're triggered by due to it being in Long Island iced tea, which if you have listened to our podcast,
Episode Aperol Spritz.
Apple Spritz,
Yeah,
we
you would-
talk about Long Island iced tea on that night.
Yeah, that night. And if you've listened to us, you know about that night.
It's quite triggering for us.
Yeah, like through all the different mixes and alcohols, like we could smell the blue curacao. So if you experience the same thing, let us know. If we are just being paranoid and experiencing trauma right now, also let us know.
Yeah. Give it a go.
I think you
Tell us
should
what
try
you
it. You
think.
might like it. Yeah, it's
It's not
definitely
terrible.
a
It's just,
Halloweeny drink.
you know, yeah.
Next
Go out and
week
scare some
we
hoes.
will be talking about our Halloween party that we had. So
Yes. Our
stay
little Halloween
fucking
gathering.
tuned.
Halloween's
See
the
you
best
later.
way.
Bye.